Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the bell button, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning to my channel, as always, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. So I'm a little behind on my unboxings. So today is going to be the Boxycharm, and I think this is actually the Boxyluxe because of the size of the box. And this is the second one I received. They have great products. The regular Boxyluxe is awesome, but then they throw in this Boxyluxe. So the regular box is $21 a month. Then every third month, for an additional $28.99, you get the Boxyluxe. So let's see what's in here. And I will leave a link below. So if you would like to try it, there'll be a discount and the link to go directly to it. And I think I hear the garbage man. So I'm going to take a little break until they go by me. Okay. Garbage men went by me, so let's continue. You open it up and there's a card, and on the back is everything that's in the box, and it puts the retail price, so you know that you're really getting a bang for your buck with this box. So the first thing, get the box out of the way, looks like a makeup bag. And I don't know about you, but how many people will turn down a makeup bag? It's a really pretty color. It looks like it's in a rose goldish kind of color. They wrapped it really, really nice. So I just have to figure out which way it goes. I hope your weather is getting better wherever you live. I know Colorado, Seattle, Chicago, all those places got hit with cold and snow, and I do feel bad for you guys. All right, so this, there goes the papers. Looks like a huge makeup bag. So it zips this way, and I know I'm going to love this bag. Again, we've been going back and forth to California, and we have some other trips planned, so this is going to be really nice. Look at the size. So that is a really nice bag, and that retails for, we'll go over that at the end. The next thing I see is a pair of eyelashes. It says Fall Mink Limited Edition Lashes. One thing that I could never put on by myself are lashes. And I know a lot of you people, you guys have YouTube videos on how to put on lashes. So I think I'm gonna spend the day trying to figure out how to put on eyelashes. The next thing in the box is Iconic London. It's an eyebrow cushion. I've never heard of that. So, looks like a really pretty case. This looks like a really great box. It gives you instructions in how to use it. So there's the little brush over here, and here is the actual eyelash cream. It's not open yet, but now I have never seen anything like this before, and this looks really cool. So of course that will be going in the makeup bag. And there is so much stuff in this box. This is by Cover FX, and it's got a finishing powder, a brightener, highlighter, blush, another highlighter, and a contour. This is exciting. Wow. Now that is nice. It's so nice you don't even want to use it. And I'm sure there's directions for people like me that don't know how to use this type of product, but this is definitely something nice for the bag. I don't know if I even noticed, but on that makeup bag, it's got the Boxycharm. Okay, there's still a bunch more stuff in here. This is developed with plastic surgeons, clinical results, confidence in a cream, transforming moisturizing super cream, anti-aging armor. Again, look at the nice packaging. Wow. And I'm sure this stuff is not cheap. The jar itself is very heavy. I'm trying not to ruin it, but look at the cream. Putting some on my hand, it is so light. It doesn't feel thick at all. So I cannot wait to get into this jar. This is like so exciting. Okay, another item. Oh, must be nail polish. There's the cute packaging. I don't know if you can see, but this is the actual jars of the nail polish. Wow. Look at these colors. You know, these are so pretty. I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna have them try them out, and if they look good, I think I'm gonna be using these for when I go to Mexico for my son's wedding, because I'm wearing a blue dress, and I think these colors will look awesome. Wow. And there's still a lot more in here. The next thing is by Becca, Ultimate Lipstick, and it's in a mauve. I've gotten a few of these products, but they're always in like a light colored pink. First of all, look at the packaging. That is really pretty. And it's got like a magnetic, so it just goes like right back on. Wait till you see this color. I don't know how it's coming out. The sun's really not out today, but that color is beautiful. I don't know if you guys get Boxyluxe, but you definitely want to try it. The next thing is by Wonder, Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Great packaging. So definitely something for like Mask Monday. So Amanda, if you're watching, I will be using that. Then there's this huge, heavy thing. 150 Day Slayer, 15 shades for daytime to playtime. And it's a Morphe. I watch so many videos with women using this, but I have never tried it myself. And I'm trying to practice to get better at putting on my eye makeup. I don't think I'll get as good as a lot of these ladies, but this is definitely something to practice with. And they wrap it so nice. Here's the box. Are you ready to see the colors? Wow. I don't think these colors are coming out as bright as they are. Like the oranges are so bright. it's like, do I keep it? Do I gift it? Do I try it? So I think I'm gonna try it. Let me know what you think of that. Doesn't even fit in the makeup bag. And believe it or not, there's like one more thing in this box. And it's Moda Powder and Soft Glow. Excellent for wet and dry products. Waterproof metallic handle. It's a brush set. And we all know we can never get too many brushes. Look at how nice these are. Okay, this is getting a 6 cactus from me because this was such a great box. And what's nice about it, it's all like unique products, not duplicates that we've gotten in other boxes. So I'm really liking this. And this makeup bag rocks. So let's go over the prices. The face palette retails for $45. As I said, this box was what, like $49? So the face palette alone is $45. The brushes, $29.99. The eyebrow cushion that I can't wait to try retails for $40. The Wonder Beauty purifying mask is $34. The lashes are $24.99. The Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream is $48. So I knew it was going to be expensive. The Becca lipstick is $24. The Morphe 15 shade palette is $16, which seems like a really good price for a palette. So if you just wanted to go buy it. The 2-piece nail polish set is $20, and the train case is $20. So that's 40, 56, 60, 70, 80, 128, 155, 180, 210, 240. So this is almost a $300 box. So I just think it's fantastic. Please comment below. Let me know what you thought of this box. If there's a particular product that you liked in this box, again, I will leave the link below. And as always, you guys have a totally awesome day. Bye-bye.